Welcome back to Fun English Learning with Mr. Olwan Simolon. How are you today? You can answer, I feel good. I feel excellent. I feel great. I feel excellent. Oh yes, always keep your spirit. In this opportunity, let's learn and discuss about how to make sentence in English. Pada kesempatan ini, kita akan mencoba secara simple mempelajari bagaimana membuat kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris. A sentence is a set of words that contain subject and predicate. Jadi sebuah kalimat adalah serangkaian kata-kata yang berisi minimum ada subjek dan predikat. Subject and predicate. Jadi sebuah kalimat itu kalau kita mau membuat kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris maupun bahasa secara umum ada subjek dan predikatnya. In English there are two kinds of sentences. Verbal sentence and nominal sentence. Jadi ada kalimat verbal namanya, itu yang menggunakan verb, menggunakan kata kerja atau verb, itulah disebut kalimat verbal. Sedangkan kalimat yang tidak memakai verb disebut nominal sentence. Struktur verbal sentence adalah subjek, verb plus object. Selalu ada verb. Let's see one example for the verbal sentence. She studies English in the class. C-nya subjek, studies karena subjek ketiga tunggal maka study menjadi studies. Objeknya English. Study predicate. In the class is adverb of place, keterangan tempat. Jadi sebuah kalimat minimum terdiri dari subjek predikat. And let's see nominal sentence. The structure subject be plus bisa adjective atau noun and noun atau adverb kata keterangan. Let's see the example. He is in the hospital. His subject is adalah be, verb be. In the hospital adalah adverb of place. Jadi di sini tidak ada kata kerja. There is no verb in the nominal sentence. Based on this, let's see the snapshot. Snapshot ini latihan atau pertanyaan. Let's do it. Let's answer the snapshot. My grandma at 5 in the morning. You can fill in with bangun. What do you say in English bangun? My grandma, ketiga tunggal. So, wakes up. Wakes up. You can see this. Wakes up. Wakes up. Because ketiga tunggal ya. Wakes up, bangun. This is verbal sentence. Let's see number 2. They our family use be. They are. They are our family. They are our family. Be-nya are. This is nominal sentence. Next, number 3. Mr. Aris to walk on foot. Pergi. What do you say? Mr. Aris ketiga tunggal goes. Mr. Aris goes to walk on foot. Pak Aris pergi kerja jalan kaki, dengan jalan kaki, on foot. Next, let's see number 4. Hastuti and Hendro in London. In London. Tinggal. Or do you say that in English? stays. Or not stays. Because two person, Hastuti and Hendro, stay in London or live in London. You can see here, you can fill it, live also or stay. Live or stay. Next, point. Your twin brother well behaved. Question. Interrogative. B. Is. Okay. B. Is your twin brother well behaved? Apakah saudara kembarmu berkelakuan baik, berperilaku baik, well behaved? This is nominal sentence. And number 4 is verbal sentence. I hope you can learn more about this, how to make sentence in English in verbal sentence or nominal sentence. Thank you for watching. God bless you.